Lights on me, I can't escape. Thrown in a fire, I had to take shape. Didn't know the rules, had to fake my skin. Now I know the game, I play to win.
Born with no manual, the table was set. Every wrong move was a lifelong bet. Car slipping fast, pressure in the air. Lost a few rounds, but I learned to stare. From silence to thunder, I carved my role. Savage like pumping, be deep in my soul. Didn't ask for the fight, but I made it mine. Now I rise with the chips, watch the city shine.
I wasn't ready when it all began, but every scar built a stronger man. Fell in the dark, but I found my flame. Now I'm standing tall in the heart of the game. All in, no fear, I was born for the night. Pressure on my chest, but my heart ignites. I can save, I can fight, I can lead them through. Play to win, play for love, it's what heroes do.
Crowds getting louder, the stakes climb high. Every misstep taught me how to fly. No fairy tales here, just fire and steel. The princess, the crown, the fate I feel. Vegas lights burn, but I never fold. Every dream chasing and turns into gold. From the ashes I rise, no disguise, no lie. Savage forever, I was born to fight.
Not just a winner, I'm a reason to believe. For the ones in the dark with a heart on their sleeve. Every loss was a lesson, every cut was a sign. Now the throne is in reach and the crown is mine.